Welcome to the first step of retraining your body's natural breathing rhythm. We take over 20,000 breaths per day, but have you ever asked yourself if your body's actually breathing correctly? So, just like with many things, over the years, our body picks up bad habits, especially when we're stressed and stuck in survival mode. So, over the next few weeks and months, we're going to be learning how to use your breathing like never before. And we do this through CO2 tolerance training. It's your body's tolerance to CO2 is what determines how shallow or fast you actually breathe. So by increasing our CO2 tolerance, we can improve the quality of those 20,000 breaths, even when we sleep. So this results in better focus, sleep quality, energy, stress response, and even anxiety levels. So we're calmer throughout our day. So typical meditation and breath work is great, but it focuses on when we're conscious of our state. However, when we're not conscious of our state, which is around 95% of the time, we tend to not notice our breath. So what this aims to do is actually focus on your breathing when you're not conscious of it. Mastering the breath will result in a whole host of benefits, and some of them you'll notice in the first week or so, but others you'll start to notice compound over the coming months as well. And the great thing about CO2 tolerance levels is we can actually measure if things are improving or not. And we'll be checking this each day as to make sure things are ticking along well. Okay, so if they're not, your breathing retraining will automatically adjust. So step onto first day and we'll see how we go.